walk us through this one tonight. I think you got credit on the early goal, which kind of set the tone late in the first half, but really a game that you guys had control of from the beginning.
Yeah, our big focus was to come out, bring as much energy as we could. We knew we had some heavy legs out there, but if we felt like if we could get on them early and really keep the pressure on them, that we would eventually open them up.
But Kyle, you've had a lot of games this season, a lot of air miles. How are you feeling physically after getting Wednesday night off?
Yeah, I think it was great for me. The boys fought their tails off. It was a really great performance and definitely deserved a point. And it's no fun watching, I'll tell you that. I was super nervous and ups and downs. But, it felt great to get back tonight.
Kyle, what's the ceiling for this group? How high are you guys able to go?
Well, we're just tonight was good. Now we got a big one next week. And that's all we're looking forward to. We don't, ceilings. We'll see at the end of the season. We're just trying to build and keep getting better going into the playoffs.
Kyle, thanks. Congratulations. Go enjoy this one.
Okay, thanks, guys.
RSL hosts Portland at Rio Tinto Stadium on August 30th at 8. Get your tickets today.